Supplement-001. Title: Classification Standards. Status: Active Revision 1.2. Purpose: this document establishes baseline standards for the classification of anomalous material within the archive. Consistency in classification is necessary for cross-reference, indexing, and long-term review. Deviations from these standards should be documented. Core categories. The following classifications are considered sufficient for the majority of recorded anomalies. Entity. An entity is defined as a persistent anomalous presence capable of repeated observation. Entities may demonstrate consistent appearance, recurring behavior, continued presence across multiple events. Entities are not required to exhibit intent. Event. An event is defined as a discrete anomalous occurrence with a measurable beginning and end. Events may involve entities, produce residual effects, occur without a confirmed cause. Events are classified independently of causation. Phenomenon. A phenomenon is defined as an ongoing anomalous condition rather than a discrete presence or incident. Phenomena are often environmental, temporal, conceptual. Phenomena may be misidentified as entities during early documentation. Residual. A residual is defined as an anomalous effect or material state persisting after the conclusion of an event. Residuals may be inert, unstable. Conditional residuals are frequently underestimated during initial review. Classification guidelines. When classifying anomalous material, the following guidelines apply. 1. If an anomaly can be observed repeatedly, classification should default to entity. 2. If an anomaly cannot be observed consistently, classification should default to event. 3. If an anomaly lacks a clear point of origin, classification should remain provisional. Reclassification is permitted. Reclassification must be logged. Common errors. The following issues have been identified in prior documentation: premature entity designation, failure to distinguish events from residual effects, inconsistent terminology across files, delayed revision logging. These errors may result in long-term classification drift. Notes on terminology. Terminology should remain consistent across all files. Acceptable designations include entity, event, phenomenon, residual. Alternate abbreviations are discouraged. Several existing files do not comply with this standard. Addendum classification accuracy does not imply causal understanding. In certain cases, continued misclassification may be operationally preferable to correction. Further review is pending. End of document.